Now that we know how to get files into Canvas, let's look at how to place an image directly alongside your text in a discussion reply or page, rather than letting it sit alone on its own line. Notice I'm talking about placing an image alongside your text. This means my recommendation is to type all of the text, whether it's a discussion response or an announcement. Type the text first and then worry about placing any additional images. The problem here is when you put an image in a discussion response, for instance, it just hangs out here, alone, on a separate line. Let's change that. First, place your cursor at the very beginning of the paragraph where you want the image to go. If you already uploaded your image into the Files area, like we did in the last video, click the image icon in the toolbar and select Course Images. Click your image from the tray on the right, and Canvas drops it right into your text. Notice that dropping an image in this way doesn't prompt you for accessibility text right away. To add it, click the image, select the floating image options button here, and type your alt text in the sidebar. But if you haven't added an image as a file and your image is sitting on your desktop, choose Upload Image instead. Select your file, and Canvas gives you the option to type your alt text right there in the pop-up before inserting it in one single step. When an image first appears, it's usually full size. Click directly on the image so the blue corner handles appear, and drag inward to make it smaller. In Canvas, text wrapping looks cleanest when the image is scaled down to a manageable size. Now make sure nothing else is selected, no text. With only the image selected, go to the Align tool in your Rich Content Editor toolbar and choose Align Left or Align Right. Canvas immediately floats your text up and around the side of the image. If you don't see that it does this immediately, sometimes there's a little bit of a glitch, just change the align setting to the opposite. So if you had chosen left and it looks like it didn't work, then choose right align, and then it will reset, and then choose left align again, and you should see the changes take effect. Keep in mind, doing it this way, Canvas places text right up against the edge of the image without adding any extra margin space or padding. So keeping your image sized relatively small or using an image with a light background or a pre-existing white border, that keeps the paragraph looking clean and easy to read without ever having to edit code. Resize small, add your alt text, and set your alignment to left or right. It takes just a few clicks, but it gives your discussion posts and course pages a clean, intentionally designed layout. Now, if you're more adventurous, we do have videos and job aids that go deeper into using HTML to float the image to the side and add padding around the image, and those are available on this page too. But most of you don't need to go that far, and this will be good enough for a discussion response or announcement.